Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set profile visibility to private on the Nike Store application. So how to set profile visibility to private on the Nike Store application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear, like this. Next, tap the Settings menu, and a menu like this will appear. Next, tap the Profile Visibility menu. This will appear. Next, tap Pivot. And tap OK. So that's it, tutorial on how to set profile visibility to private on the Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.